Good morning, friends. This is time for the uh, trade plan of 23rd of September 2020. Let's have a quick look on the uh, overnight markets. Out there, we are getting indications that S&P 500 has made some kind of temporary bottom at least. If that is the case, then chances are that we could have a global pullback. S&P 500 could go to about 3350 from here before it finds resistance. Now, yesterday on the bank Nifty, we hit about 21,000. Okay, 21,000, as I've been explaining, is the 50% zone of the entire rally from 17,000 to 25,000. It is possible that from here people get the pullback that they are expecting. Now, global markets, as in US, bottoms out, Bank Nifty reaches key support. So that overall leads one to believe that there could be some sort of upside which could happen on the Indian market. The dollar index, meanwhile, this is the one which looks bad because it is pushing up. So the idea is that you keep an eye here, but does it have a one-on-one style correlation? I don't really think so. So for the day, IT plus I would think banks, etc., could move up, and we could do levels of closer to 11, excuse me, 280 to 300. 11,300 is a very, very key resistance, and from there you should sell again because this remains a sell on rise type of market. It does not appear that immediately we are collapsing. So if we are not collapsing, then you could have a bit of a recovery happening here, and particularly on the banks where you have now reached levels from where there have been several bounces. So this sort of zone is likely to hold on. Now, whether in the morning itself a rally will start, that I cannot say. That possibly nobody can say. But we are in the zone from where a pullback rally should start. I would prefer that you don't get a gap up because the gap up gets sold very, very hard. The idea should be that you open flat or a little bit of gap down, and then you don't get follow through and you start to move up. We have 11,500 calls. So let's see how that plays out. But it appears that immediately downside may not happen unless this US dollar goes totally out of whack. So that should be it for today. We have pivots basically at on the Nifty 11,180 and 21,190 on Bank Nifty. The S1 for Bank Nifty is 11,050, and on the Bank Nifty is about 20,907. These are indicative stop losses, if you may, and basically the downside just for the near term seems a little limited. So even if you don't want to go long here, I don't think going short also is a good idea. So that should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.